to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you're living in Europe, US or Canada, in your house radiator is available and this radiator is not working. So this video is very important for you. You just apply 2 tips and tricks and your radiator is working. No need to call handyman. Handyman comes and doing the same process and your radiator is working and you need to pay some of the money. But you can save money, apply these tips and tricks. After that, definitely your radiator is working. How to do it? Let's check it out. First option, you need to open this one. It's very easy to open. Look at this here. I just simply use here. This portion you need to like this and remove. It's very easy to remove this one. After that, you just simply use screwdriver and check. Otherwise you should open this one and again fix if any problem is happen. But most of time problem is not here, problem is different way. Just simply I show it to you how to open this one and how to fix. It's very easy. Just simply do like this and it's easy and fix. This is perfectly fixed. It's very easy. Next one is the same radiator. So here you need to release this one using screwdriver like this, and here the water is coming, so you should use small bucket. So most of time here the dirty water is coming, but this one is a clean water, and check the water is hot or cold. So now here the water is coming, previously coming in cold, but now is coming hot water. So and then after you can fix properly or release something strong, harder, strong, release most of, and after that you just simply fix like this. It's easy. After spending 2-3 hours your radiator is fully working. So this is the process you should apply and fix your radiator. It's very simple. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.